Oh, screen sharing. Let me know if you can see me, if you can hear me. Just let you know, guys, we have a little bit of delay, lag. We are working in that, okay? I think for the next live that's gonna happen tomorrow. Until tomorrow, we are going to solve all of these technical situations, okay? You are going to see me like that a little bit, guys, because I'm reading your comments. I cannot read in my computer, so I'm reading through my phone. So hello HBS. Hello Ubadu. Guys, I have problem with Arabic names. So hello everyone. Hello, hello, hello. I'm just waiting one more minute, okay? And we are going to start. But before we start, guys, tell me, where are you from? Tell me, where are you from? Hello, hello. From India. What else? Germany. Oh, such a beautiful country. UAE, Spain, Belgium. Who was hoping to get a PS5? Yes, yes, guys. When we got 10,000 followers, 10,000 subscribers actually in our Telegram channel, I'm going to give away one PS5. Actually, I have two here. Dubai, now I'm from India. Dubai, living in UAE. Amazing, guys. So let's start. So, guys, as you can see today, we posted in my Instagram about some questions that you have, okay, about market and about everything. And today I'm going to reply some of those questions. But before I reply for you about those questions, I want to talk to you a little bit about the market condition and about what's happened today and why I made such a huge profit today. And I told you guys, doesn't matter how accurate I'm in my trades. If I'm not mistaken, I already posted in our Telegram channel 11 trades. If I'm not mistaken, like 7 profits, 1 loss, and 3 break even. That I call as even, okay? And doesn't matter how accurate I am, guys, you never go to this market with high leverage. Okay. Hey Luis, but you are doing with high leverage. Yes, I have more than 15 years experience inside financial markets, not just crypto. I'm from traditional assets, so I'm used to love to high leverage assets. Okay. Switzerland. Switzerland. Egypt. Okay, guys, so let's start. So before, guys, I want to talk to you about the trades that I got today. I want to delete all of those lines. At first, for who's starting, the asset that we are checking is Bitcoin. We are measuring the price in stable coins in USDT. Okay, something that I want to talk to you guys every time that we are trade on futures, every time that we are trade on leverage. My opinion, you shouldn't in any way go trade altcoins. So every time that you are going to see me here trading, you are going to see me trading Bitcoin. Is the assets that I trade. Hey Luis, but what about the projects that we speak so much? What about the altcoins, Venom, Optimism, those projects that we speak so much? Those are projects that I am investing into them. So my idea is to be investors. These are completely different words. We buy projects. Okay, we buy coins based on projects. That's what position trade, that is investing. We are going to invest based on projects for the long term. When we are trading with leverage, so we are taking more risk. Because we are taking more risk, we are not looking for extremely high volatility. Because of this, if you go to trading, you trade Bitcoin leverage. If you go to investing, go to invest not in Bitcoin, altcoins. Okay, those are two different words, of course. For both, we use Bitcoin. Bitcoin is our index, is the first coin, is the most important one. But for trading, just Bitcoin. For investing, I wouldn't buy Bitcoin now because now it's so expensive. What I buy? Altcoins. Okay, so let's go. So guys, today I told you about one trade that I made more than 40% profit. Um, of course, I was trading a small account just to show you that's possible. Why? We have so many different ways to use technical analysis. Technical analysis, the way that we are going to use the source we are going to use to understand the past movement of the asset. And what I can tell you guys, there is no right way to look technical analysis. Okay, if you put like 10 technical guys here in the same room, 10 of them, they might put completely different lines. They might look the market in completely different ways. Okay, so what I want to talk to, there is no right, there is no wrong. What I want to explain, to express myself is that I'm going to use now something that requires classical technical analysis, where we are going to use lines to look for levels. And those levels, it's not just about one line, like here, okay? It's not the line, it's the region of the price overall. Yes, thank God I'm a trader because I'm really bad in draw lines, okay? So, as you can see here, I drew something that we call as what? A trend line, a trend line. If I come here to this trend line and press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, I'm going to do something that I really like. That's a traditional channel. That's a traditional channel. Hey Luis, but this level could be a little bit up, could be a little bit down. Yes, depends the way that you draw, as I spoke before. So guys, I want you to understand, I want you to understand what's happened in this level and why I got short Bitcoin before market went down 3%. Actually, if you go to my Telegram channel, you are going to see that I short Bitcoin like 40 minutes before all this down. And it's there in my Telegram channel. Why? Let me delete here. So guys, we need to understand what's behind the price. Market moves because of buyers and sellers. If we have more buyers than sellers, market goes up. If we have more sellers than buyers, market goes down. So we need to understand the interaction between buyers and sellers. Okay? So we had here this channel. Market touch here made something that we call as a false breakout. What is a false breakout? When market goes, break the structure in this case, this channel and back. Over here we have other touch, false breakout, take a liquidate, here fill, here and here. Okay? All those levels I didn't get short. I didn't get short. And why I get short now? Because I want you to understand that besides this level, we 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 had markets sideways. Guys, what I want to talk to you, we have three different conditions of market. The first one is the one that everyone loves, including myself, is the bull market. We call as bull market when market makes higher highs, higher highs, okay? Higher highs, as you can see here. After this, we have something that we call as bear market. When market makes lower lows. Yes, I'm not good on draw, guys, but you can understand. Like here, here, and here. And also, we have something that we call as sideways. When market is between two regions of the price. But something that I already spoke with you guys and I want you to understand, it's not about the line. It's about the region. So when we have the market in this region, it's because bulls and bears, they are fighting between them. And for any reason, they cannot win. Okay? Are you going to start 1K challenge again? Not now. Not now, eh? Okay. Can you explain terms short and long? I'm from Uzbekistan. Oh, okay. Let me explain that before, guys. What is short? What is long? We get long, or I'm going back to this explanation later, okay? We get long, or we buy when we are going to buy the asset cheaper and sell expensive. So like I'm just one example. I bought Bitcoin at 60K and I sold at 64. So I bought cheaper and I sold expensive. That's the definition about long. Okay. What is the definition about short? I'm coming from traditional markets and short started in stocks and it was extremely famous in futures, like in commodities, soybean, corn, when they started. What is short? Short is when you are allowed, when you are able to make money when the market goes down. So, Luis, it's possible to make money when the market goes down? Yes, it is. And how? For which to understand about short, let me give you an example about this bottle of water. Okay? Imagine that some of you come to me and say, hey, Luis, I want to buy one bottle of water or 100 bottle of water, doesn't matter. I want to make a deal with you. How much is the bottle of water? I'm going to say, hey, it's $1. And we are going to make a contract, one agreement between both of us that I'm going to sell this water for $1. But the truth is, I don't have this water. So I'm going to market to look for someone that's going to provide me this water because I already made a deal. I already have the money. Now I need to look for someone. Okay. And I'm going to market say, hey, do you have, John, do you have bottle of water to sell? He tells me, hey, I have 80 cents. So I sold something without have this asset, expecting the future I'm going to buy in a cheaper price. So if I sold for someone for $1 and I bought later for 80, I made 20 cents. But the thing is, we had one agreement. If I go to the market, someone tells me that this bottle of water is 1.5, I'm going to lose 50 cents. So short is when we are going to sell without have is one way that we use since traditional markets to make money when the market goes down. Okay? Since you are an ex Wall Street guy, does the Wall Street also use price action and technical analysis? Um, they use they use technical analysis but in a different way, in the way that I'm going to explain you now. It's not the way that technical thank you very much about this question, really smart one. The way that those guys they use technical analysis is based on buyers and sellers. It's not about the line. It's not about I draw one line here now. It's about the region of the price. So in the way that they do in the institutional way, that the way that we call them, it's looking for the interaction between buyers and sellers. It's not about the line. Is what I did today. Because of this, I had this huge profit because I know to trade in the way that those guys in Wall Street they are doing. So why I get short? We had this structure here. We had a few false breakouts. And when I saw here, we had one, twice, third time. Hey Luis, this is a pattern, right? My Forex teacher told me that's a pattern. No, don't use that. This is extremely old. You cannot make money with that. Okay, don't look for those patterns. Okay, don't do this. So what we had here, we had the market touching, we had the break of this line, market come back to retest, and after this down. So when I saw that market touch this, break this the line, this level, and came back, I saw here in this region of the price a really good opportunity. That was the level that I get short, 66,500 if I'm not mistaken. 66,500, let me put here. It's in my Telegram channel, somewhere here. When I saw the market come back, I said, hey, market now is going to drop strong. And what's happened after that? down almost 3%. Down almost 3%. Why? Because I use technical analysis not based on patterns. I use technical analysis based on interaction between buyers and sellers, and as our friend said, in the way that those guys they are doing Wall Street. Okay, guys? You understood? Let me take my water here. Please, guys, ask me questions. Okay, ask me questions. And so important as the entry point is the exit point. Where I exit from this trade, guys. Thank you very much. But how to get the confirmation in the breakout? In the breakout, we got the confirmation after we have 1, 2, and 3. This level here is the confirmation. Okay, if you got short in this level here, you could make a huge profit. Hey Luis, why you didn't stay into the market, guys? Because we never know until which level market goes. Okay, after happen, it really is. But I was expecting my profit here, 65, 500, somewhere here. Okay, where I close my position, and where I get my profit. Sir, we can enter now? No, no, this trade is gone. Okay, something that's extremely important, guys. It's not okay, it's not because market's going down that we are going short, or it's not because market's going up strong we are going to get long. We need confirmation, we need a strategy, we need a way, something that's showing us clearly an entry point for which to enter. Because if it's not, we are going just to have fear of missing out. Market is going down, let me short. When you get short, market goes up. When you buy, market goes down. Because you are not in synchrony with the market, with the strategy. Okay? Can I make $3 million with trading? Yes, you can. But you need to learn a lot about this. You know, before you make $3 million, you need to stop to lose. First step. Second step, you need to make your first $1,000. And after this, you think in the way that you can scale this. Like for my students, I'm going to guide them how to make $10,000 monthly. And I made this challenge. It's in my Telegram channel. I show my positions. So it's possible. Yes, it is. But go slowly. Okay? And guys, please, if you have questions, so important for me to reply you, okay? So the most important question, it's time to get long, to buy. Now Bitcoin went down 4%. Two questions that I want to talk to you now. Extremely important, okay? But before this, guys, about my mentorship. Someone asked me, it's possible to make $3 million. Yes, it is. What I teach my students in the way that they are going to make $10,000 monthly. I think your first step should be this one. How I guide my students in my mentorship, guys? In 4 steps. In 4 steps. The first step, what is the first rule about financial markets and about any business in life? First rule, you need to understand what you are doing. So the first step that I go in my mentorship with my students is the foundation. What is that and how it works? I'm going to guide them. Hey, what is blockchain technology? Why optimism is such a good important project inside the Ethereum network? What is a layer 2 project? What is a layer 1? How we use Bitcoin? Which problem Ethereum came to solve that Bitcoin couldn't? You need to understand that. Imagine that you are trading, some of your friends come to you and say, hey, what is Bitcoin technologies? And you don't have any idea how to answer. So you need to understand that. After this, we go to the technical part. I'm going to teach you. Guys, this is what I told for you here about technical analysis. For my students, this is so basic. Actually, one of my students just sent me a screenshot. He started a small account, $100. 1 week, he's already with 1,000. He sent me all the screenshots. Why? Because I taught them how to use technical analysis in the right way. And that's the second thing that I'm going to teach my students. How to make technical analysis, how to understand technical analysis, how to enter, and most important, how to exit to the market. Because you make money not when you enter, when you exit. So I'm going to teach you strategies based on spot when you have the ownership and based on futures as well that you can make these huge profits. So we are going through together all of this. Third one, guys, I'm going to teach you the other side of trading about portfolio management. How you make your money. I posted about Venom, that's an undervaluated project that you can make 20x in the next 2, 3, 4, 6 months, 1 year. It's possible. I'm going to guide you as my students how you find those coins and most important, the ones that I'm buying that I just tell my students. So I'm going to help you. Always, I don't have a lot of money to make a portfolio. Okay, in October I made one portfolio, one challenge, 30 days, 30 coins. My average profit now is 300%. Some projects are more than 10x. So it's not about the money, it's about the knowledge that you must have to understand what you are doing. And the first one, that's the one of the most important in my humble opinion, is something that I see a lot of people neglecting: trading plan. How we are going to take all of this knowledge for you to build your wealth in the future. So I'm going through all of those steps with my students, and I just have 5 spots, guys. If you want to roll, send me a message or go to my Telegram or my website, iamcryptoguy.com. Over there you have all the information, okay?
We have link in the description of the stream.
Yes, and actually, my assistant told me here, we have the link in the description of this stream as well. Thank you. How can you join my mentorship? Go to the link of the description or to my website, iamcryptoguy.com. Can work in Olymp Trade app? No. No, don't do this. This is not trading, this is gambling. I don't trade Olymp Trade. I don't trade Forex. I don't do options on futures, because options on stocks is one of the most amazing things in the world. I'm talking about options on futures. Like you buy, you have 30 seconds till the market goes up. No, don't do this, my friend. This is completely gambling. It's a gamble. You cannot make money. I'm so sorry. Withdraw your money. Can I invite on BTC with only? Can I invite? I didn't understand. So that's a good question. Next step for Bitcoin, because I get short. That doesn't mean that I think that bull market is done. Of course not. Of course not. So now I told you what I was thinking in a day trading way. What is day trading? When you go to buy and sell the asset in the same day. Now we are going to understand what I'm expecting for the price of our Bitcoin for the long way. After this, we go to futures. Okay? So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to delete all those lines. I'm going to delete all those lines. Such a beautiful trade, guys. I really hope you got this trade that I made with you guys, because anywhere, any other influencer, they are going to show you this kind of amazing trade like 40 minutes before. Okay? How to buy international stocks and what is the best app for stocks? Actually, I'm not into stocks anymore because why? Let me just explain that. I'm not saying bad things about stock market. Stock market is the heart of financial assets, all the financial markets. Okay, doesn't matter. But stock market is something already established. We don't have a lot of difference between stocks, so it's hard. If you go to crypto, crypto is a babe. The words covered the Bitcoin 2017. Of course, Bitcoin was developed 2009, 2010. Okay, first transaction. Yes, I agree. But, but, the words covered Bitcoin 2017, so it's a babe. Institutions like BlackRock, they start to enter this market this year. The end of this year for this year. The end of the next year for this year. Those institutions. So we have a lot of opportunities here. Go to something that's new, that you have opportunities. So now, okay? What I can expect for the price of the Bitcoin for the long way. So for this, we're going to understand the price. At first, we're going to change for daily base. Uh, yes, looking for the daily base, we have a lot of stuff here. At first, we are going to look the most important levels, how we define Best broker for crypto and Forex. Forex, I don't trade. And when we trade crypto, it's not a broker, it's one exchange. What is the difference between a broker and one exchange? Exchange is going to connect you, buyers and sellers, providing the best liquidity. If you go to the website of Chicago Mercantile Exchange or New York Stock Exchange, they are going to say what's the job that they offer to connect between buyers and sellers with the best price possible. Okay, that's one exchange. Broker is going to make, when you buy, the broker sell. When you sell, the broker buy. When you make, the broker lose. When you lose, the broker makes. So stay away from brokers, go to exchanges. Okay? Again, guys, let's come back here. So this key level 61k, actually we have this level between 61k and 60k. Okay, 60k, it's the most important one. As you can see here, a lot of false breakouts, right? Go up and down, down and up. Okay, so a lot of false breakouts of this level, and something that not so good, not so good for a Bitcoin boy. We had the same here on the upside, false breakout, false here, but look here, lower lows. So if we had the break of this structure that we are doing now, we can expect the price touch this level. Hey Luis, that means that I can get short now with futures 50x because you are saying that now market goes down touch this level. We are looking at daily base. So when you are looking at daily base, you must have a stop loss of what? 4 or 5% to get 4 or 5%. So if you go to 5% stop loss 20x leverage, you get liquidated. So I'm talking what we can expect the movement of the price for the long way. That doesn't mean that's a moment to get short. Okay? Let me put one line here. Actually, guys, I like the plane chart, okay? You are going to see me. You will never see me like with a lot of lines in my chart. I don't like. I don't like it because I think it's hard to understand. But yes, if you wish, we can put here one trend line, a small one here. Can you see lower lows? But I don't want to put. But I want you to understand that's bad. Lower lows, lower lows. Also, we have a key level here now. We have the middle level. If you use Fibonacci, you're going to see some important Fibonacci level here, but I do not use them. So now we have two options here. For understand the movement of those options, we are going to change for the time frame for 4 hours. So at first daily, second 4 hours, third 1 hour time frame. Okay? Just to remind you, we are looking for the long way, not short term. Okay? Okay, such a beautiful candle. I hope you got this short. Such a beautiful candle. Now we are showing here a little bit of indecision of market, indecision of Bitcoin, because this level here, as we spoke before, it's a key level. It's a level that institutions they are looking for. They are looking for. As you can see here, we have liquidity grab. If you use smart money concept, different stuff. Before we had a small trend line here. You see the one that we had the break that I showed before actually was a channel. If you put here was a channel, okay? But let's delete them because I don't like them. So okay, in 4 hours, what we are able to understand to identify, we had the break. Now the market's touching this level again. To understand what's gonna be our next move, I'm going to change for 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame indecision, completely indecision. So now I wouldn't short and I wouldn't long. What we can expect a little bit of sideways, and that's the most danger market now, because now what I'm expecting is like the volatility go down, okay, and false breakouts in upside and downside. So if you go to 5 minutes time frame, now we can have like a lot of breakouts of this structure, and when you see the breakout you are saying, hey, now it's time to get long because the market goes up, and you have a false breakout, and goes here, hey, now it's a good moment to get short and wait for a breakout. So I would say for you it's better to stay away now that the US session started for a bit. Okay? Thanks, bro. And what's the best app? Okay. You mean we can make a trade long right now? No. As I told, now it's not time to get long. I would say that I'm going to make in position tomorrow morning. I'm going to wait to the market move a little bit because look, we cannot predict all the swings of the market. We cannot try to get all the movements. Okay? We just can take a few of them. So if you try to predict all the movements and time in the market all the time, you are going to get in loss. Want to learn crypto knowledge from basics, want to be like you, did it possible and how? Yes, as I spoke before guys, it's 100% possible. Go to my mentorship, the link is in the description, 5 students, I'm going to the ground, I'm going even to explain what is a candlestick, how it works, and the most important, as one of our followers here asking me, okay, how we can make that like in the Wall Street way, like in the Wall Street guys. Okay, how we can make that like Wall Street guys, technical analysis in a right way. Okay. God bless to all the trades. Amen. What's the best way to make a lot of money in crypto? How? Let's talk about not about crypto, not about traditional markets, about something. You never met a person. You haven't met any person in their life that extremely successful in one business if they don't have a deep knowledge about this business, right? So how you can make a big amount of money inside crypto without know what you are doing? Because the idea is really easy, right? You just need to know when goes up and when goes down. That's not easy like that. So at first you acquire the knowledge, you understand what you are doing, and after this you are able to make big money. Okay? Bybit or Binance? Or today, especially today, I'm with Binance here because I was looking the liquidity of futures, but I like much more Bybit. I like much more Bybit. And actually, if you want to open your account on Bybit, the link is in the description. Go to my referral link, I am crypto guy, and you can get until $20,000 in bonuses. Okay? Mentorship is only for people that live in UAE, and where can we meet you in Dubai? Mentorship is not just for people living in UAE, it's online. Okay? It's live class. Let me explain how it's gonna work the mentorship. As I spoke with you before, it's divided in 4 steps. But we had 25 recorded class that we are going to provide for you and 16 live class with me through Zoom. Okay, we are going to use Zoom app. You don't need to come to Dubai, and it's hard for me to meet people because a lot of, as you know, I'm the fastest growing influencer in crypto in the world now. So a lot of people trying to meet me, a lot of people, a lot of business. So it's better for we to make online in the way that is better for all of us. Okay. So can you please tell us how to read your signals you send in Telegram so we understand what to do? When I say short, that means that you are going to press like here, okay? You are going to get short, okay? And you're going to market position, you're going to use market position, you're going to get short. After you short, you are going to add stop loss and take profits, like how much money you are accepting to lose, how much money you are accepting to make. But the most important, you cannot go with more than 5x leverage. Hey Luis, but you post with much more than this. Yes, I do have more than 15 years experience in financial markets. It's because of this. How did you become a millionaire? How old I became a millionaire at the age of 31st. When I was 34, I became completely broke. I became completely broke, and I recovered everything. I recovered everything. That is one video in my Instagram that I tell my story. Any grading for trading Dubai? Not gathering, not now, not now, can't. Why don't you do a channel for signals and teaching trading, man? There are a lot of people that would thank you. Yes, actually, this is something that we are thinking. That's something that we are thinking. But now, what we got, my mentorship. With my mentorship, I'm going to make the challenge with my students to go to 1K to 10K, you know? So, at first, guys, I want you to see my results. I already showed you with 6 months challenge, with 1 to 10K. Today, I post an amazing trade. So what you need to do now, enroll in my mentorship. The link is in the description. 5 spots available. I already registered, sir. I didn't join until now, so do it. Hey, today I made $7. That's important. That's important. Your first step. Congratulations. Congratulations. When it's going to start mentorship? Mentorship is going to start in 1 week. 1 week we are going to start. The one those who are in UAE can meet you and discuss. After you enroll in my mentorship, yes, we can schedule something. But before, unfortunately, I cannot. Do you scalp only 1 minute time frame? No, I don't scalp in 1 minute time frame. Do this. Okay, I do not do this. Do you think technical analysis is B? Of course not. Of course not. Look here. How technical analysis is both B is bad word. Of course not. Look, I just made one trade based on technical analysis. I'm not mad, okay? I'm just explaining. I'm just explaining. Look at here. I made this trade. I saw those levels here. See? Where is that? Here. I saw that touch. I saw market was sideways. I saw one break of the structure, entry point, market went down. In this way, showing yes, technical analysis works. Technical analysis works. I just made one trade based on that today. Okay? Hey, is there any premium group where you provide signals? No, not now. Not now. Do you think technical analysis? I already explained. What do you think about copy trading? Copy trading depends of the trader. Depends the person that's doing. If you the person has they are accurate in the way that I am, you can make good money. Where is your mentorship? It's in the description of this link. Or you go of this stream, sorry. Or you go to my website, iamcryptoguy.com, or in my Telegram. The link is there. In my Instagram as well. Sorry. I entered the trade by your signal today and I made $630. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. I think if I join a mentorship program, I can get this 10K level. So I'm really interested. Thank you, master. Thank you. You see, it's so important for me that you know that you are making money, guys. Thank you. It's this makes me really, really, really happy. What others technical analysis indicator you can recommend? I don't use any kind of indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. I don't use them. Okay? How much time do you spend analyzing market? How much doing a trade and you stay with the trade? Uh, Actually, you need to understand when you talk about myself, I'm a full-time trader. I'm a full-time trader since I started in 2006. Yes, I'm old. Of course, not with crypto. I'm old, guys. I'm 36. I started when I was 18. So, today, when I'm going to trade, I start between 1 and 3 hours looking market. But when I see the entry point, I just put my stop loss, take profit, and it's done. I want to purchase your course, so go to the description. Can I trade according to your signals? Guys, I don't give financial advice. I just show you the trades that I'm doing. But yes, you can. If you want, of course, you take the risk. What does it mean when the amount we can start trading with? I don't know about your currency, my friend. I'm sorry. But $1,000 is good. What is the I want to purchase, okay. Is it for free? There is no free lunch in the world, guys. I'm a trader my whole life. How am I going to give a mentorship for free? Of course not. There is a price. What's the minimum in the amount of money we can start trade? I don't know, sir. I don't know about your currency. I'm sorry, but I would say $1,000. How can I purchase your course? Go to the link. Okay, the link in this live. You are going to be able to find there. Okay, or go to my website iamcryptoguy.com. You are going to fill up the form. My assistant is going to contact you. Yes, there is no free lunch. My thoughts about technical analysis and fundamental analysis both are important for trades. Oh yes, of course. That's not for today, but I can make. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to make one live that I'm going to teach you how to look the fundamental analysis. What do you think, guys? Tomorrow at 8 p.m. I'm going to talk about fundamental analysis, not just technical. So I'm going to wait your question until tomorrow. Come to my live and I'm going to explain about fundamental analysis and how we understand the news and analysis that we do before we start to trade. Okay? Can you tell us why you don't scalp in 1 minute? Of course. Look here. If you go to 1 minute, it's we have a lot of volatility. Market's not going to respect so much, you know. You are going to have a lot of signals. You are going to enter in market like one of my friends. He loves scalping. He does like 85, 100 scalps per day. He's a Brazilian guy. And at the end of the day, he's with the same results. And I already tried to talk to him like so many times. But he likes emotion. No, I don't do scalping in M1 because you are going to have like a lot of signals and at the end you are going to lose a lot of money. Okay, start order 1k to 10k. Let's say we need more signals from you. Yes guys, I don't give so many signals because most of the ones I give just for my students. Okay, we need that live. Yes. uh, Bro, I made $240 because of your signal, thanks. And can you recommend any altcoins and your followers on for spot? Oh, thank you very much. You see, other guy that makes money. Guys, okay, you want to talk about spot trading? That's amazing. That's amazing. My heart is on spot trading, but I want you to understand there are two different words. When we trade with leverage is when we imagine what is trading with at first. What is trading? When we are going to buy and sell looking for profit. First thing. Second, what is trade on spot and trading on futures? On spot, when you go to trade, you buy Bitcoin, you put Bitcoin in your wallet, you have the ownership of the asset. Doesn't matter what's going to happen with if price of Bitcoin goes to 100k or 20k, you still have one Bitcoin. That's it. When you are going to trade on futures, you are going to trade contracts based on the price of the Bitcoin. In this way, you can trade with something that we call as leverage. What is the definition about leverage and how leverage works? Imagine that you are trading with $1,000 and you want to trade with 10,000. So the broker, or sorry, not broker, the exchange is going to allow you to trade with 10x more capital. Okay, in this way you are going to increase your profit in 10x and your risk in 10x as well. So when we are going to this world of leverage assets futures, we are going just to trade Bitcoin because the volatility is not so big. Okay, now we are going to trade on spot projects. Okay, projects. So the first project that I want to talk to you guys is Venom. I think this project, no, let's talk about this one here first. Optimism. Amazing project. He's going down so good. That's I wish optimism go to $2. I'm going to be the happiest guy in the world because I'm going to buy a lot. So what is this is such a silly way because I think everyone should, of course it's not financial advice. I'm talking about the coins that I have for myself. Okay? Optimism. We have Bitcoin. That's the mother, that's the king of the coins. All the other projects they come to solve problems that Bitcoin couldn't. Most important, so Bitcoin is the first. What is the second most important coin, in my humble opinion? Ethereum. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open source that we use to develop decentralized apps. So when Satoshi Nakamoto developed the Bitcoin, he developed the Bitcoin in a way that we can send and receive money without financial institution. Ethereum came the way that we can develop apps, decentralized apps, other blockchain, other coins inside the Ethereum environment. What's the problem with Ethereum environment? It's so expensive to transact inside and slowly. Imagine that you are going to make one transaction with Ethereum, you're going to pay 6, 7, 8, $10. It's a lot. Imagine that you are going to send $100. 7% you are going to pay in fees if it's $7. Okay, if it's 100K, you are not going to feel, but think about daily base, small transactions, 100, 200, 300, $500 sometimes to make one smart contract. Expensive. So optimism came to solve this problem. They takes hundreds of transactions inside the Ethereum network, put all of them together and split the fee. So optimism came to solve a real problem. That is a real use case. So that is an amazing project to buy, in my humble opinion, and I have. Okay? Any book recommendations? I have one YouTube video about my favorite books about trading. Go to this channel. Is there? Bitcoin come down suddenly. Uh, guys, we were expecting this. It's technical thing. Technical thing. I was expecting that. I was expecting that. I want to learn the business from you. I apply in your websites. Thank you. Thank you very much, Vladimir. Thank you. Okay, guys. Let me close here. Optimism, amazing project. One of my favorite ones. Go to my Telegram channel, guys. I post my 30 favorite projects there. Okay? Take me to live in Dubai. Any other coins apart from optimism, go to my Telegram channel. My idea today is not about to talk about projects that you can make. We can make one live other day just about projects, okay? But what I can tell you, this is one of my favorites. It's in my heart. So let's talk about features. Guys, usually I use Binance. I'm trading with this account just to see some results. I didn't like the liquidity of Binance on futures. I think the stop loss here, I started with this account with 2000, it's already with 4600. Okay, so let's answer the most important question for you guys. Can we open one trade now? Can we open one position now? What do you think? Let me come back here to the price of Bitcoin. Can we open a long position now? No, we cannot. We cannot open any position now. Of course, you can if you want, of course. I don't give financial advice, but I would say for you to wait until tomorrow. Okay? Even in futures, I don't see any liquidity. I don't see anything now. Okay, guys, I want to know if you have more questions. If you have more questions for me. Okay, let me tell you something. if today I'll tell like one advice that I can give for my best friend inside crypto today in the condition that we have on market now, how you can completely change your life based on this market condition that we have now. First question, it's possible? Yes, with the conditions that we are having now, it's 100% possible. Okay, 100% possible. How? Understanding the interaction between buyers and sellers, understanding the key levels like this one here, understanding, let me change here the time frame for you, understand the real strategies like guys in Wall Street they are doing. You see here, market respect here. We had a sell off in this point. So you need to learn how to predict those levels. You need to learn how to enter and exit. After this, guys, if you have $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, you are going to make money because you have the knowledge. Take me everything away for what I have and give $1,000 in one phone. In 3 weeks, I'm going to have again 20K, 15, 10. I showed you live. So I know how to do it. Crypto market is the best way for this generation to change their life. But if you come to this market without the knowledge, you're going just to lose money. So what is my best advice for you? Understand what you are doing. Doesn't matter the business. If it's crypto, if you work as an engineer, as a lawyer, be the best in what you are doing. In this way, you're going to make money. Stock versus crypto, which one is the best for trade stock? Oh, crypto, sorry. Crypto, crypto. As I spoke before, crypto, we don't have a lot of opportunities. Sorry, sorry. On stocks, we don't have a lot of opportunities now. Crypto is a babe and it's give us so many, so many. Okay? Crypto stocks the same? No, crypto much more volatility, much more opportunities. If I think Bitcoin is going down or not, I think now Bitcoin is going to be sideways. I don't think we're going to have big movements now. How do I do analysis? At first I started in higher time. I already explained that, but I'm going to tell you again. First, I came to daily. I understand the long way. I came back to 4 hours, put the lines 1 hour, looking for the key levels where we are going to have the false breakout, and after this I'm going to my entry point in 5 minutes. Hey Luis, is giving one entry point here, right? No, it's not, because the condition is not good. It's not about the line, it's not about the candle, it's the big picture overall that we understand. So now I already made my profit, I'm flat. And brother, one last question. You have to choose one, Solana or Ethereum, and you have $1,000. Let's open both here. Of course, I don't give financial advice, okay, guys? Let's open Solana. Let's put Solana in the daily base. Okay? We hit $200 Solana. It's in my Telegram channel. I bought Solana for $22.99. So here I was almost 9x profit. Okay? So if we go to, I'm going to delete those two lines. I'm going to put in the weekly base. Weekly base. If I'm not mistaken, the all time for Solana for 247, 206, sorry. So now we are what? 71%, 72% all-time high from Solana. Okay? Solana is a good project, amazing. They have a good community, but they always have problem in the network. Solana now is booming a lot because of meme coins. That's good. It's making the networking like growing so fast. But the truth is, 99% of these meme coins in 1 year they will not exist anymore. I'm not saying Solana is going to stop to exist, never. I don't see that. It's an amazing project. But we are 70% for all-time high. Do I expect Solana $600? We need to have a really strong trend to have Solana near to $500. But a lot of good things might happen or should happen to have what? 2x profit. 2x profit. Okay? So Ethereum now. Ethereum 3100, the highest price of Ethereum is 4,900, let's put like that. And guys, Ethereum is one coin that is 50%. So if we go to all-time high again, it's easier Solana get all-time high than Ethereum. Although I can see for the use case Ethereum $10,000. So for the short term, if you go, it is not financial advice, I would buy Solana. But for the long way, Ethereum 100 times. Ethereum 100 times. My favorite project, extremely safe. Ethereum $10,000. We are going to see. I don't know when. I don't give financial advice, but I can see that. Your Fibonacci instruments, I did understand. I did understand what you said, sir. Yes, Roslan, please stop to spamming the chat, okay? I did understand your question actually. Hello, can you guide me? I am new. I'm in Dubai. Yes, of course. If you want to learn properly how to become a really profitable trader, the link is in the description. This slide, okay? Sir, please tell me about Polkadot. I don't trade this asset. The question was, guys, I have $1,000. Which one I would buy, Solana or Ethereum? For the short period of time, if market goes up, I would buy Solana. For the long way, Ethereum. I'm not saying that now it's a good time to buy. Wait a little bit. If I'm just telling based on project, which one I would buy. Cardano. Cardano make us so happy, right? Cardano. Let's put Cardano on the daily base. Cardano hit 80 cents. Yeah, it's down. Cardano is a really downtrend. Strong. I wouldn't buy Cardano. Anyway, now. Really strong. Any other projects? Hey, I have a lot of them. A lot of them. Can you teach me to understand the chart? Can you do a live trading, guys? My idea is to trade live with you, but we don't have any opportunity now. Look here. The trade for the day is already gone. You know, the trade for the day is already gone. Now what you are going to have, it's like this now. Market making here, retail trader they enter to lose money. Okay. How to trade in, how to cash out, how to trade in dirhams. Uh, Actually, you need to go to P2P. Go to P2P in the Binance platform or Bybit. Is your mentorship will teach you from the scratch because I don't have much knowledge? Yes, yes, I'm going to guide you. Like even if you have knowledge, because sometimes the knowledge that you acquire is not the right one. I'm going to teach for nothing, even what is a candle. So the first thing that I'm going to guide in this mentorship, guys, it's how you what is blockchain technology, what is Bitcoin. We are going to the scratch, for the zero, for the ground. We are going through all of this, guys, all of this. I can guarantee you at the end you are going to be able to make good amount of money in this market, because what I'm explaining here is the point of the iceberg. No, it's so much things that I explain my students. Can analyze XRP. Oh, I'm so sad for XRP. XRP is my third favorite project. One of my best friends, he loves, Mohammed is here. Hi. XRP, now I think he's sad. XRP is a stable coin almost. Yes, what we had here. I even don't like to look. But let's talk about XRP. So many red candles that I'm going even to change the color for blue. Let me change the color for blue. XRP, unfortunately, we have the break, right? We had here this market here that's awful. This market condition here, guys, can you see here? That's a lot of candles up, down, up, down. It's even bad to check. That's bad. That's really bad. That means that the market's without any direction. After this kind of sideways, usually market goes down, but we never know when. So we have the break. We have market falling like 28, 9, almost 30%. Actually, 30%. Let's have a look here. Yes, more than 30%. Bad, bad. Now we had the touch here and it's showing more down. It's showing more down, you know. So XRP now is in a bad situation. I wouldn't buy XRP. But H bar is on fire. H bar is it's in my portfolio. Can you teach us chart analysis? Yes, in my mentorship I teach everything. How, in your opinion, about the next narrative coin? It's hard to say. It's hard to say. What I can tell you is that we have so many projects, and now it's time to buy them. Don't try to find the 1000x coins. Go to the good coins that they are in my Telegram channel. You can make 10 to 20x. Believe. Not financial advice. I bought it. It's your risk. From your mentorship, can I expect I can become a full-time trader? With my mentorship is the biggest step for you to become a full-time trader. After this, you need time to mature yourself, to understand what you have learned. And yes, after this you can make it. By taking our mentorship program, can we be a self-independent trader? Yes, yes, that's what I'm... Guys, I made one challenge, 1K to 10K. Is this good for you to live? I think 6% of 80, 90% of the people in the world, they can live with $10,000, right? I made is there, okay? How do we buy new listing coins on Bybit? On Bybit, you go to news, you're going to be able to verify all the coins that are listed for the day or for the week. Yeah, there are so many coins, guys, and even for me, every day someone asks me about 3, 4, 5, 10 new projects, and it's hard for me because I need to have an overall understanding about not most of the project, but the biggest one. But every day it's tons, thousands of projects, and we cannot understand and stop to try to find the 1000x coin. What is the next meme coin? Hey, why? Someone asked me that and I didn't reply. Why I do not trade meme coins at all? I don't like them. I don't trade them. Why? What is a meme coin? Meme coin, it's a coin that's built in some environments. Usually now they are making a lot of meme coins in the Solana environment. So you need the environment, you need the community that's going to make the price pump. But okay, you need the environment, you need like Solana network, a lot of meme coins there. After this, you have what? You have the community. The community is going to make the price pump, but community make the price pump, investors make the trend. Those guys that they are making this price pump, they want to cash out soon. So we have pumps and dumps. When we have real projects, we have investors that they came from traditional markets. In this way, they make trends. So it's better for you to go in a way that you can make much more money. Who makes money with pump coins? Who make them? Like the owners of the projects. How to join my mentorship? Go to the link description here, guys. Over there you can find my website. Fill up the form. My assistant is going to contact you. Ethereum will approve ETF. I hope so. It's gonna be amazing. Amazing project. Amazing. I love. When is your mentorship starts? In 1 week. 1 week. But we have just 3 spots. 3 spots. 2 spots they already gone in this life. More questions, my friends? Guys, if you want to trade on Bybit, go to my Instagram. The link is there. I think the link is in the description of this video as well. You can get until $20,000 bounties. Okay? So traders, what I can tell for you, what we can expect for tomorrow. Let's see here. Let me delete all those lines. What we can expect for tomorrow. Tomorrow, as I can see here, we can expect a little bit of sideways. A little bit of sideways in this level here, guys. So tomorrow, most probably, I'm not going to look for a trade that's going to make like 2, 3, 4, 5%, because here we have other important level as well. Here we have other important level as well. So yeah, we had here the break of the structure. We can touch here, and after that, down again. Look for XRP. Okay, I'm talking about XRP. Let's talk about Bitcoin now. Same, same. Sideways. I'm expecting sideways for Bitcoin. Okay, sideways for Bitcoin. Now we are having something for who like smart money concept, liquidity grab. We can expect a little bit of comeback, and after that, down again. Down again. Okay? Mentorship is for free? No, there is no free lunch. I want Cartier gift. Okay, okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, for who wants to enroll in my mentorship, I'm going to guide for the scratch, for the zero. How you can go to zero until you make $10,000 monthly. This is possible. I made the challenge and I showed you that. What you need? Knowledge. And also for who wants the link in the description, you can find my referral link for Bybit. If you want, you can open and you can have until $20,000 in bonus. Okay, guys. So I would like to thank for all of you and wish for all of you a really good night. Thank you very much, guys.